Okay, so it occurred to me because I just bought a 2-pack of lighters. So I don't have kids. Not a huge fan of kids, but I mean, I get it. They're cute. So I don't like childproofing. I always remove the childproofing from my Bic lighters because it drives me nuts. Because I don't have kids and I don't live with kids. There's no kids around me. I don't need it. But I understand why it has to be there. So for adults only who buy a brand new lighter with that goddamn childproofing thing on it, which it works, it gets annoying. I have a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This is the Tinkerer model. Most any of the Swiss Army knives or any kind of a pocket knife will have what they call an awl or a leather punch tool. Right here by the Phillips head is mine. So give me a second. Okay, so one-handed. So there we go. So that's what the leather punch or the awl or what it's just it's an all around little tool for a lot of things. One of them, removing the childproofing. Let me show you how. As best I can. So first things first, you're going to pick up your lighter you keep knocking over because you're trying to look through a phone. You're going to work it between the little wheel that strikes the flint and the guard. So give me just a second. Okay. So there. So all I did was take the point and I worked it in between, and you can see it's still connected. And then all you do is put some pressure and draw back. See how it gets bigger? See how it's raising up? Alright, now we're going to shove the leather tool deeper into the thicker part of the tool. See how it's skinny and gets wider? Give me just a second. There we go. Alright, see how it's like that? And again, one-handed. Pretty much. And then all you got to do is that's it. Yeah, it flew across the room, but lighter's completely undamaged. Nothing's wrong with it. Works fine. Doesn't have the fucking childproofing on it because I'm a goddamn adult. I don't have them. I don't need childproof on my lighters. Thank you.